Hi guys, this is Ken from Tech Open, and this time I'm going to do an unboxing of a portable gas grill. It's not something I normally have on the channel, but I think it's really interesting due to its portability, practicality, cleanness, and it's just great. So keep watching guys, and this is really nice.
That's good.
Here you can see the cooking rate, which is high quality material. It's rust free. It should last for a long time. And you know, Weber products are known for their high quality. That's, you know, they're a little bit pricier than normal grills and whatnot, but there's a reason for that. You know, it's due to the quality of the material. So this is a great option if you want something that's sturdy, robust, and reliable. It's easy to store away. It's a really good option for anyone looking for like a very, you know, more compact kind of gas grill. So keep watching. Part of the video, a very interesting design detail in terms of the gas rail through which the flame comes out. If you can see in the, I don't know if you can see in the video, it has this particular design which is made to distribute heat the best way possible throughout the entire grate, the over grate. So this is sort of associated with the high quality of the grate, distributes heat the most efficient way to make cooking easier. So you know that everything cooks evenly, and you won't have trouble with like you have pieces of food that are cooked and others that are not. It gives you an even cooking effect, and it's one of the most important details in this grill. guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're interested in buying this particular grill, you can check out the links in the description that I will place. I'll get this model, I'll put this model as well as some other ones in case you're interested. And yeah, thanks for watching once again, guys. Have a great week. Bye bye.